How to add second clock on Xiaomi, Redmi, Poco devices. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device over here. As you do that, tap on the search bar and search for time. Now as you search for time, you'll be able to see different options that pop up over here. Now you just have to tap on the time option over here. As you do that, scroll down and here you can see the option of dual clock. So just toggle on this option over here. And as you toggle on this option, you'll be able to see that dual clock will be displayed on the lock screen and home screen. So tap on got it and then tap on second clock. So you just have to select the region where you want to get the timing of. So select just the country that you'd want to know of. So I'm going to tap on Australia and tap on Sydney over here. And then go back and check on the home screen. So let's check it. And there you go. You have it. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.